Well, it's another one of those days. I think it's 1,000,001 degrees today. It's hot, I'm sweaty, and all I want to do is take a nice, cold, refreshing shower. But I don't want to be inside the trailer all the time. I want to be outside enjoying nature. That's why we have these trailers, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shower outside with the included outdoor shower. And in a previous video, if you saw, Jordan showed us how to set up the outdoor shower, but there's actually two types of outdoor showers. I'm going to show you how to use this one, and it's actually really fast. It took maybe 10 minutes. You will want an extra person to help hold it in place while you secure the bolts. Inside the box, you'll find some spare brackets and then 8 bolts and 8 nuts. You don't need the brackets because they're already secured to the trailer, and you'll just need 4 bolts and 4 nuts. I used the short ones, and you'll want to slide the head of the bolt into the back side. There's a slot for it. So slide those in and then line them up with the brackets. And then while someone's holding it, just secure the bolts, and I'll show you how to open. Check it out, it's really easy. You've got 2 Velcro straps right here. Oh yeah. There you are. And it is kind of windy. So there are stakes. You can stake them down so it doesn't move around on you. But it's nice and tall. I'm 6'4", and my head pokes up, so it's about 6 feet tall. And really easy. Like you saw, it takes 2 minutes. And then just do it in reverse to set it, to put it away. Make sure that if you put it away when it's wet, to get it back out and let it dry out, obviously. There it is. I'm gonna take a nice cold shower. I'll catch you guys later. I'm Nate, and we're living full-time in the Dweller 15. See you next week. I just had to show you guys this. Check out this outdoor shower between 2 slides. I think the Dweller has an amazing shower, but this is a close second. Pretty cool.